A few years ago, actually I think it was about 2017, I was driving down Mona Vale Road in Ingleside and I saw Smoky Dawson's gate to his ranch. This giant, enormous gate, and I stopped and I got out of the car and I was really excited, and I grabbed my phone and played Smoky Dawson's Homestead of My Dreams, and I looked through the gate and I just burst into tears because all I could see was bush, overgrown trees and weeds and totally unkept, and poor Smoky Dawson's gate. And I thought, I wonder who's maintaining the gate or looking after it. And so I discovered that the gate was rebuilt in 2003 with Smoky Dawson being a patron of the Terry Hills Rotary, and Phil Walker rebuilt the gate with the help of lots of other people. So it was a big community event reopening the gate because it was burnt down along with the ranch many years ago. So ever since then, I've tried to find out who's maintaining the gate going forward. And I contacted the local Rotary, and they started a project to maintain it, but then the powers that be in Tamworth said, oh, well, make sure they've got the right paint or the right font and have to do things properly. And then COVID came along and everything just stopped. Meanwhile, we find out that, of course, the gate is on private land, which is owned by the school. So who's looking after the gate? The Rotary have bowed out of looking after the gate now and have taken their signs off the gate. The local school hasn't been maintaining the gate. There's no one in Tamworth that is interested in looking after the gate. Who's looking after the gate? So Phil Walker and I have got together and we've done a bit of research, and we find out that the gate is still heritage listed. The gate needs to be preserved going forward. The bush around it needs to be maintained and gardened, and need to take out some weeds. And who's going to look after the gate?
A gate stands still on a sandstone ridge. Smoky Dawson's ranch is all but disappeared, overgrown with bush and weeds on a sandstone ridge. Memories of years gone by, rodeos and pony rides, silver streams and moonlit skies on a sandstone ridge. The golden west now shines bright. He's riding flash somewhere up in the sky. A gate stands still on a sandstone ridge. Smoky Dawson's ranch is quiet now. The broniers all give up out on a sandstone ridge. The golden west now shines bright. He's riding flash somewhere up in the sky. A gate stands still on a sandstone ridge. Smoky Dawson's ranch is quiet now. The broniers all give up out on a sandstone ridge, on a sandstone ridge, on a sandstone ridge.
And so Phil Walker and I have been doing a little bit of weeding over the past few years. Phil discovered white ants in the post and in the gate, in the fence, and he pressured the local school to treat that, which they did. But pretty much we need some help. We need some money to rebuild the gate again, essentially, and we need to know who's going to look after the gate going forward.